Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got a nice one in this case over here. What should you do if you ask me? Yeah, like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com. Check out the consignment program we got going on that site. You can consign knives, fidget toys, flashlight, whatever you want. And of course, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna make sure it gets sold, and we're gonna make sure you get your money. So you don't have to deal with all the shenanigans of Facebook or whatever, the eBay or, Kijiji, Craigslist. Forget about that. We've got you there, and check that out. Check the site, see what is going on there. What is going on inside here is Frank Fisher and Rob Carter collaboration. Thanks to my buddy Tim for letting me check this out and share my impressions with you. This is a Warhawk, basically, in a Fury blade configuration kind of thing. Check this out. Sanmai blade, of course. Zircutai inlaid pivot and collared. Zircutai handle. Check this out. I'm thinking it's a different Zircutai. I don't remember which one, but definitely the inlays are gorgeous. On the pivot, look at this tiny work. This is jewelry kind of style. This is not a knife, guys. Of course, this is a piece of jewelry. You have a spectacular action in this one. Really, really cool. I love the jimping on the flipper tab, minimalistic. I love the closing action. Love the Zircutai accents and colors going on. This is just my fingerprints. Going on the scales, which, by the way, if you noticed, there's no hardware showing. Yeah, you see only the pivot. You have hidden hardware configuration for the scales, for the inlays. Check out the Zircutai backspacer as well, and the orange peel titanium bolster lock going on right over here. I want to show you because why not? This guy. Do you see some resemblance? Yeah, there's something going on for sure. Different Sanmai, different spacer, it's a different flipper tab, different pivots, different material, right? Just, to show you what is up. When Robert Carter and Fisher are joining their forces, their craftsmanships, they come together with this kind of deal. Look at the layers on this pocket clip and the colors. Ooh, insane. Look at, that's pretty crazy right over here. The yellow, the blues, the black. Nicely done. Look at the close-up on this titanium bolster. And the close-up on this pivot collar, inlaid, custom made. Sanmai, not perfectly centered, as you can see, but it doesn't bleed out. Look, it's just perfectly done there. You know, barely touches the edge over here, but stays inside. It kind of is centered off because you see the jacket being a little bit bigger on this side than on this side, and the core, it's kind of shifted a little bit up to that side, but you know, that's something that's not predictable. You can't really predict it too much when you do it, when you grind the blade. It's pretty cool. Let's do a quick size measurement. You get 3.25 inch long blade, 4.25 inch long handle, 7.5 overall length. And in the pocket, you are going to feel this boy. It's a chunky boy. It's a small one, but it's over 5 ounces for sure. 6.19. Yeah. Look at this. It is a pleasure to check this out. Sounds awesome. Cluck, cluck, almost double clutch. You can do maybe, no, not really, because you kind of tend to push down here. Maybe if I'm doing like that. No, I can't. Really, really cool collaboration in my hands. What do you guys think? Do you like these kind of knives? No jimping over here, double recurve, hollow grind Sanmai Damascus blade, Zircutai backspacer, hidden hardware for the pocket clip, tip-up carry only, bolster lock with Zircutai, scales on titanium, handles, orange peeled, custom pivot inlaid, and Zircutai collared both sides. I mean, there is a lot going on in a blade like that, and you got to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes on. Not really much finger choil, but sharpened up to the end. You can kind of do that up to the starting of the harpoon, but closing action is pretty smooth indeed. And overall, a well put together knife. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.